Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction. I'm so sorry for my voice, guys, but you know what is it there. So you watching us now, if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Also, we put in every day 2 videos analyzing for you the Bitcoin price predictions. So if you are interested, you can join us. Yes, we analyze even the SP 500 and DXY or US dollar index. But today I'm not going to analyze it because I'm ill. I'm just doing that video for you guys. So I'm sorry for today. Maybe tomorrow or after tomorrow when I get better, then I'm going to come to do everything for you. So let's start our analysis, my friend. So as you see today, news came, and as you see the market, what it done here in that candle here, as you see it here, as you see, my friend, here in that candle, what the market done for you today. That candle it pushing down, and here the market it tried to give you here like a small triangle here. In the daily, you can even make it like that, or a wedge or a triangle. So now we need to wait in what's going to happen, if it's going to break for us lower here or up. I think everything is too clear. So let's see our chart, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our chart, as you see it breaking for us the trend line here, that one here with white, that one I told you yesterday me, and that candle here, that one, look at it what it did there, that candle here, look at it what it done. I tell it to you yesterday, I told you that trend line here, it's become like a resistance when it's being broken here. Then the price go back here, it's acting like a resistance, and I told you it's going to fall down, and that's what it happened today. Even the news today doesn't come that bad as I told you before, but let me show you the news. As you see, here is the news, my friend. Actually the ISM, it came like the previous one. It used to be 52.8, and this month it came the same. Let me show it to you. As you see it, my friend, the ISM how it came today. The previous one, as I tell it to you, it used to be 52.8. Sorry for my drawing. It used to be 52.8. This month the same thing, it came 52.8. So it's not that bad. The economic of USA doesn't doing that bad. It just enter now in a consolidation. So that man, there is no decision yet. So let's see the coming days what's going to tell us. Everything is too clear, my friend. And another thing, it's still tomorrow news. As you see it, let me show it to you. And here, my friend, as you see what we got, tomorrow we got here in employment rate, as you see it, is going to come at 12:30. Here, as you see it, in GMT time or UTC, depending on your local time, and as you see it here. So make a close eye at that one, because that one maybe is going to make a very bad drama at the market. So make a close eye at it. Let's going back now to our chart to see what is it there, my friend. And here in our chart, my friend, as you see that candle now it fall down till here, but here it's showing a rejection now. It's going upward now, and even here down in the volume there is not big power to push lower. So and here the green, there is buyers, bigger buyers here. So let's see when the daily candle finishes what the market going to tell us. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Our indicator, as you see it, and if you've been with us, it came here. Look what it done. Now look at it. Now it couldn't break for us that last high here, and now he trying to break for us that lower here. So now it trying to give us like a smaller flag here. So let's see now if it's going to break upward. It's going to go till here, till the trend line. If it's not, it's going to break lower, my friend. It means so much for the picture to be more clear to you. As you see it, my friend, here what me I told you that one he came here, he couldn't break that high. As you see it here, what it done to you, he came here like that, then he falling now, and now you need to make a close eye here lower here, because now it's trying to give you like a small flag. As you see it like that, it need to come upward and to break for you here. That's the good scenario. The bad scenario is going to break for you lower and to go here to the oversold area. So let's wait when the daily candle finish it, because till now there is no, you can make decision based on now. It's need the daily candle to finish, then you make your decision, my friend. Everything is too clear, my friend. It's going back to the chart. Our other indicator, my friend, as you see it, is it here at the oversold area? So not yet, it's still for it more room down. So if you wanted when exactly is it the time to buy, it's very easy and simple, my friend. Just subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos, because every day we put into videos. So if you subscribe to our channel and you turn the bell to all, so when also we put in new videos, you're going to be notified. Let's go in now to see the Bitcoin in the 4 hours, what it's telling us for the picture to be more clear to you, my friend. Here in the 4 hours, my friend, as you see what the Bitcoin tell you here, my friend, what you see in here. If you look in here, like that and like that. That's a triangle here in the 4 hours, my friend. As you see, it is very, very, very clear. And here, as you see in that candle here, which is going now, the one it's showing here a rejection, so make a close eye at those things, my friend. By the way, that candle it's left for 2 hours, and here down the volume of sellers was spiking, not the volume of buyers. So make a close eye at those things, my friend. Till now the market it's showing us here down there is a level here. That level is stronger. As you see it touched the first time, second time, then he bounced up. Now we are in the third time. Now we need to see what the market going to do, my friend. If it's going to go up or it's going to break it. And here it's showing an indication here in that zone. It's showing an indication it's going to go up, my friend. If it go up here, as you see it here, you got another zone here, that the place where you need to take some profit. Everything is too clear, my friend. You get the picture. Let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, if you remember, also we used to have here a divergence like that, and I told you here you have a trend line like that, but till now it hasn't break it, my friend. So it needs, sorry, the uptrend is not there. Also we have here a trend line here like that, and here he break it, but he couldn't break the middle here. That's what I told you before. If you haven't watched our previous videos, go and watch them. Now it's going back inside, so I think now it's going to go till lower here, my friend. Let's see when the daily candle finishes and that 4 hour candle finishes, then also we're going to come to you with a new update. So if you are not subscriber, make sure to subscribe to our channel to receive all our latest updates and videos. Let's see now our other indicator, what it's telling us. Our other indicator, as you see it, my friend, what it's telling us, there is nothing here. It's still here at the oversold area. So I told you, even if it go out, it doesn't mean it's going to go up. And here that candle which is going now, it's showing a rejection. So you need to make a close eye at those things, my friend. Those ones, sorry, let me show it to you. You need to make a close eye at that trend line, that one, as we drawing before here. If the price break it here, that's when you're going to go, as I tell it to you, till the 200. If it's breaking for you the lower of that wage, as we got here a wage like that, if it's breaking for you the lower of it, you're going to see it lower. When it's breaking the up or down, you came here to that zone, to the highest point here, and you make it like that. You calculate it from the top till here, the place where it's going to be broken. If it's breaking up, you make it like that. If it's breaking down, you make it like that. How you're going to make the take profit, my friend. Everything is in front of you, my friend, to make a close eye at those levels. So now let's see in the 30 minutes what the price telling us there for the picture to be more clear to you. Here we are, my friend, in 30 minutes, and in 30 minutes, as you see, let me zoom it like that. Here in 30 minutes, what you see in here, from that zone here to here, it's very clear here in 30 minutes actually, and here to here. Let's make it like that. What you see in, my friend, what the price giving you here, what you see in here, my friend, here and here, what the price giving you here in 30 minutes. Here in 30 minutes, the price is giving you here a triangle, and when it touching the lower of that zone here, that one, look at it how it react to it, because a lot of people, they want to buy from here. So make a close eye at those levels. As I tell it to you, in the triangle here be broken in the top, you came here, you calculating from the top here till up. If it's being broken down, same thing. And another thing here, so let me show it to you here. What you got here, you got here the 200 moving average, the one. So you need to make a close eye at it. The market needs to break it and to give you higher high. Everything is too clear, my friend. So let's see our indicators, what they're telling us for the picture to be more clear to you. Our indicator, it indicates us we are here at the oversold area and you are here in a zone. And the price action, what did I told you? You got here a triangle. So now what you need to do, you need to wait in the market to break that triangle, my friend. When it's going to be broken, the triangle, you enter long. Take profit is going to be here, some of it here, the last high me I'm talking about here, that last high here. You take some of the profit, that me I'm talking about scalpers and day traders, not investors. Investors, that's another story. Investors just, they say dollar cost averaging and leave the money to growing up by themselves. That's it. That's how investors they working. And the name of investors and traders is a big difference between the two words. Investors is people, they want to invest for long term, 5 years, 10 years. Some people they invest in for 20 years. Traders, they want to enter a day and go out by day. So here the difference. So you choose here what you want. Everything is too clear, my friend. So that's it for today's video, my friend. See you when the daily candle finishes, my friend. Bye for now.